Hey everyone, welcome to our second devlog. It's a little bit late. I was supposed to post it last week, but I've been working a lot on this thing, so hopefully the updates will be exciting. I just wanted to let you know a little bit about the progress of the game. Let me show you. There's not a ton that has changed, but I feel like I've already kind of defined the type of game that it's gonna be. I'm going to show you this first test level that I've been making. This one's pretty much just for like testing some mechanics. We have our little Hostek wearable friend, which I think that's going to be his name. If we don't get any copyright, I think that's a nice, funny name, I find. Yeah, as you can see here, he can run, he can walk, he's got a few animations. Some of them might have to be changed. And this is a pickup that's temporary, and this allows you to flap wings. And so the main kind of progress mechanic, like the progression mechanic that'll be in the game, is number of wing flaps. That'll allow you to basically Metroidvania your way through the game. It's gonna be that's the idea. It's gonna be a small adventure game with sort of Metroidvania like blocks. Like progress blocks. So for example, for this sort of thing, we need 2 different flaps. And yeah, basically, we've been working on different mechanics and seeing what works. Measuring distances for running. And yeah, looking at like the different graphic styles of the engine that we can achieve. I'm pretty happy with the way that this looks, but of course, this is all just for testing. Basically seeing the distances that we can fly per wing flap, how far we can go. So yeah, basically that's the first level. And now I'm going to show you a second level that is more about giving us like a render target of what we want to achieve. And that's not so much... Currently, it's not functional. It has a few animations, but there's nothing really in the terms of logic. But I can show you around. As you can see, it's sort of like it's a queue. It's some sort of official institution. So the whole plot of the game, which is sort of based on my own experience, is about having Jose Cuervo try to acquire his flight visa, which has been revoked. Which is a little bit political, I suppose. It's sort of touching upon topics today. So hopefully it'll resonate, but it also is kind of in a lighthearted way, in a funny, surreal way. But yeah, I've been working on basically trying to demonstrate what the game would look like. I'm still working on this level. I want to make it really polished, so it can really pop and give us an idea of what the full game will be. Yeah. So that's basically it. Oh yeah, we also have the viral dancing. Jose Cuervo can dance now. There. He's so cute. So there might be a little bit of a dancing mini game, hopefully, that I'll implement sometime in the future. But that's it. That's all that there is right now. But it's actually progressing quite quickly. So hopefully I'll be able to show you guys some more stuff soon. Although, do be warned that I'll be traveling and things might get very chaotic. So hopefully, I'll have updates soon enough. Anyway, that's all. Let me know what you guys think. What would you like to see in a game like this? What ideas does it give you? Let's talk. See you next time.